Looking for the best folding e-bike in 2025? Whether you need a commuter-friendly ride or something to take on adventures, we've got you covered. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 5 best folding e-bikes for 2025. These compact, portable, and powerful e-bikes are perfect for any lifestyle. Let's dive in. 1. Gotrax 20-inch folding electric bike. First up, we have the Gotrax 20-inch folding electric bike, perfect for urban commuters or anyone looking for a convenient, compact e-bike. Featuring a 350-watt motor, this bike delivers a smooth, consistent ride, reaching speeds of up to 15.5 miles per hour with ease. Whether you're riding through traffic or cruising along park paths, the Gotrax 20-inch keeps things simple and fun. What's great about this e-bike is its impressive portability. The compact frame folds up in seconds, making it easy to store in your apartment, trunk, or even take it on public transportation. Plus, the 20-inch tires ensure a comfortable ride, even on rougher city streets. With a 36-volt 6 amp hour lithium battery, you can travel up to 15 miles on a single charge, perfect for short commutes or errands around town. The bike also features a pedal assist option, allowing you to save energy while riding. And the easy-to-use LCD display shows speed, battery life, and more, keeping you informed throughout your ride. If you're after a simple, reliable, and affordable folding e-bike, the Gotrax 20-inch is a top contender. 2. HOVERFLY H3 16-inch folding electric bike. Next on the list is the HOVERFLY H3 16-inch folding electric bike, an ultra-compact and stylish ride that's perfect for those with limited storage space but big plans. Whether you're commuting to work or heading to the local coffee shop, the HOVERFLY H3 is the e-bike that fits in wherever you go. Equipped with a 350-watt motor and a 36-volt lithium battery, the HOVERFLY H3 gives you the power you need to cruise at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, with a range of 18 miles on a single charge. The 16-inch tires on the HOVERFLY H3 make it super agile, perfect for weaving through traffic or getting through tight spots. The built-in suspension adds another layer of comfort, smoothing out bumps and uneven surfaces, which is key for city commuters. One of the standout features of this bike is the removable battery. With the ability to take the battery off for charging, it offers added convenience so you don't have to worry about carrying the whole bike to an outlet. Plus, it folds down easily to a compact size so you can store it in your car or take it up to your office. The HOVERFLY H3 is all about convenience, whether you're storing it, charging it, or riding it. Third on our list is the VARUN Electric Bike, peak 750-watt folding e-bike, an impressive powerhouse designed for those who need more speed and versatility from their folding e-bike. Equipped with a 750-watt motor, this bike can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, making it ideal for both urban commutes and off-road adventures. The 48-volt 13 amp hour removable lithium battery gives you a range of up to 45 miles on a single charge. So whether you're running errands or hitting the trails, the VARUN Peak has you covered. What makes the VARUN Peak stand out is its fat 20-inch tires, which provide excellent stability and grip on a variety of surfaces, from sandy paths to gravel roads. The dual suspension system helps absorb shocks and bumps, making the ride smoother, especially on rough terrain. If you're someone who likes to switch between city riding and weekend trails, the VARUN Peak is a great fit. Its folding design makes it easy to store and transport, but don't let the compact size fool you. This e-bike packs a punch. With pedal assist and a throttle for easy acceleration, this e-bike ensures you're always in control of your ride, no matter where you're headed. 4. 20-inch fat tire step-through, 900-watt folding electric bike. At number 4, we have the 20-inch fat tire step-through, 900-watt folding electric bike. A real beast for both urban commutes and off-road trails. Powered by a 900-watt motor, this bike provides plenty of muscle to conquer steep hills and rough terrain. It can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour and covers distances of up to 35 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for those who want to go the distance without worrying about battery life. The 20-inch fat tires provide incredible traction, making this bike ideal for sand, snow, gravel, and even rocky trails. If you love off-roading, this is the folding e-bike that lets you explore different environments without limitations. The suspension system ensures a smooth ride, even on bumpy trails, while the step-through frame makes it easy to get on and off the bike. With its rugged design and ample power, this e-bike is perfect for adventurers who want a folding bike that can keep up with their exploration. And when you're done riding, it folds down neatly for easy storage so you can take it anywhere. 5. Likebike Folding Electric Bike with 500-watt motor. Last but not least, we have the Likebike Folding Electric Bike with a 500-watt motor. This e-bike offers the perfect balance between power, portability, and performance. The 500-watt motor provides enough speed and torque to handle most terrains with ease, reaching up to 20 miles per hour and offering a range of 30 miles. Whether you're commuting to work or cruising around your neighborhood, the Likebike makes it easy and fun. What stands out about the Likebike is its removable battery. You can easily take it off to charge indoors, which adds a layer of convenience, especially in apartment living. The front and rear suspension ensure that your ride stays comfortable, whether you're on smooth streets or bumpy paths. The folding design is sleek and easy to use, so when you're done with your ride, you can fold it down and store it in your car or closet. If you're looking for an e-bike that's affordable, reliable, and compact, the Likebike Folding Electric Bike checks all the boxes. And there you have it, 5 of the best folding e-bikes for 2025. Whether you need a bike for city commuting, weekend adventures, or something in between, these options have you covered. Which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing e-bike content. See you on the next ride.